Yeah, Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today is 6 Ramadan. I will go to explore in jungle in UM with my partner Azma. Today, Azma arrived at Sintuk Lake. Okay, we take 10 minutes to arrive here. Okay, so we want to explore this place. Let's go!
Today we in Sintuk Lake to do our assignment, English Proficiency 2. Okay, in this lake, we can see the beautiful environment and peaceful place for people who want to relax and release their tension from the assignment and others.
Okay, for students who come here, please follow the rules to avoid from accidents or can make trouble for who do activity in this lake, because they very dangerous. We not know what have in the water. Welcome to Sintuk Lake. Okay, when we see the trash, or for example like plastic like this, we must collect to save our nature. So this place also has dustbin, too easy for who come here to put in the dustbin. Easy, right? Take care the nature. For additional information, when we go here and have some trouble or accident, don't panic. Because we can call forest ranger to help us. The number you can contact is from
Okay, the next place is Pokok Tiga Beradik. So let's go.
Okay, who come here, don't worry, because have track to guide to the destination for Pokok Tiga Beradik. Don't worry, just follow the track. Okay. Okay, next we find Sandrium Kuek Jape. This tea come from New Guinea, Indonesia and Philippines. This tea can reduce problem fever, such as fever and anti-cancer. Before we proceed our journey, I want to show you 3 species available at here. This is a Baritonia microstacha. The 3 come from Malaysia, Filipina, Vietnam and Philippines. These 3 can cure stomachache and skin problem. Now we at Pokok Tiga Beradik. So we take 10 minutes to arrive here. So you can look. This is one of 3 Pokok Tiga Beradik.
place we can see three big size of tree. UM has introduced this tree when discovered 2016.
We are at pokok tiga beradik. You can see at the back, I have three big tree here. Let's go. You can see this tree, this, and the last one at there. That's why this place is called Pokok Tiga Beradik. Okay, now I will tell you about Pokok Tiga Beradik. Okay, the scientific name is Tetramilis nudiflora, or common name is mengkudo. This tree usually at elevation at up to 500 meters. The tree function is to suitable for temporary building, box, and plywood. For traditional use, it used to making canoes and dugoons.
Next place is Deer Park. Okay, in UM we also have Deer Park. So in this Deer Park beside Bukit Timas, we can see only 40 deer in this, but we also have Deer Park in Route C, which is Muamalat. Here is elaborate ruminantia that derive from the Sble family, including mantash, wapiti, cheetah, deer, caribou, roe deer, and deer. Okay, actually, deer horn is not horns, but the extension of the bone we call pedicels. This section is rich in the parkway and will continue to grow every year. And deer horn is called antler.
Okay, now we at ostrich farms. So here can we look at the real life of ostrich. Before this, we only look at on television, but now in UM have the ostrich. So let's go to see the ostrich.
Okay, I want to tell you about ostrich. Ostrich is a bird, but it cannot fly like the other birds. Okay, the scientific name is Camelus, but the common name is ostrich. The origin is from South Africa, and habitat ostrich are of the same others as emus, cassowaries, and kiwis. The weight of ostrich is 95 kg until 130 kg. However, male ostrich can weigh up to 150 kg. Okay, these birds have a lifespan of between 40 to 60 years. Diet. Okay, ostrich feed mainly on grass, vegetable, and leaf. Okay, physical characteristic of ostrich. The ostrich is the largest flightless bird in the world. It can grow up to 2.5 meters and above. The male ostrich has black and white plumage, while the female has brown plumage tinged with grey. The ostrich has a neck that stretches to a length between 1.8 and 2.75 meters.